how you can post videos on Reddit. Now this is a very simple process, so let's just get right into it. First, open up your Reddit, and on your bottom side you will see 5 options. One says home, another says communities, create, chat and inbox. So just click on create and put on the title. Just gonna say random video, body text, I'm just gonna type no context, and then just select on the video option right there, tap the video, click on next, tap on next again, and that's it. After you do that, your video file will get attached to the post, and click on next. Now here you will be able to choose the community that you will want to post this on. So just choose the community, and as you can see here, there are some restrictions and rules. So let's just type this: random video of Nepali OG. Now let's just post this, and as you can see, it's checking for progress, and after it gets uploaded you will get notified. As you can see, my post has been submitted, and then that is how you post videos on Reddit. Thank you for watching, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Bye bye.